Hello viewers, today I'm gonna teach you how can you get WhatsApp USA WhatsApp number permanently. So from this trick you will be able to get the USA number for the WhatsApp. So here as you can see I have two applications, first Telos and Text Now. So here I will use Text Now for the verification purpose. So watch this full video. It's a tricky video and you just have to follow some steps to get the USA number permanently. So let's get started. I will go to the Text Now application and we just have to sign up. So we'll simply sign up with the email and just enter the password what you have. So as you can see here, we will get the number. So just write the random code for the number, and I just pick the any number for the verification. So here in this case you can pick any random number. So don't worry about anything. Just skip and then just go to number and copy the number, and then go to the Telos application and just click on the sign up button. So remember you need to add credit card, but I also provide the video link in the description. You can watch it and make the, and if anyone needs this number, she can contact me on my WhatsApp group or Facebook page. So here as you can see I just sign up. Just write your country name. So here I have United States number, so I will pick the United States and then paste the number and just click on the continue, then OK. You will instantly receive the verification code. So let's see. Just write the verification code and then write your name. So here I write my name, and what you have to do, just have to wait some couple of seconds, then it will goes on the next page. So just click on the United States. You can't get the Canada or United Kingdom number because we are just getting trial version. So here as you can see the new page has opened. So just write the code, which state number or city number you want. So here I will write the same number as Text Now, 908. Pick any number. There are 90% number are available for the WhatsApp. Not every number, but 90% are available. So I didn't check. I will just click on any number and then click to the continue button. So you just have to click on the free trial for the 3 days. In case you will have the number for many months, you just have to click on this button and then you have to click on the subscribe button. This pop-up will appear, and then I also added the MasterCard. How to add this MasterCard, you can also watch this video in the link is provided in the video description. So I will just click on the subscribe button. So in this case you have to click, then the message will appear, then you have to write your password. So I just subscribe this offer and then just backed. So just click on the 3 dots, the number has here. So just 908-502 and 7207. Just go to the dual space application I am using for the parallel for WhatsApp business. Just click on WhatsApp and then write the number, the Telos number. So here I will write the number and just click on the verification code. Remember, you can just make a call, just you can receive the call, you can't receive SMS from this trick. So just click on and then click on OK. So here you can see you can't make SMS. Just click on call me, you will receive the call. So let's get the call. As you can see, call So just click on the answer and then you will also listen the code.
It is 569178. Your verification code is 569178. Your verification code is 569178. Your verification code is 569178.
Let's go to the WhatsApp and write the verification code. So just write the verification code here and then continue. So it's loading. So our WhatsApp has been ready to use. So just click on escape and then write your name, any name you want, and that's it. So from this trick you can get any WhatsApp number, any USA WhatsApp number, any city or state USA WhatsApp number. So please make sure to subscribe this channel. If you want this number, you can contact me my Facebook page to get this number. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Thank you.